Hi guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing one animatronic and showing you four new things that I got today. So let's start with the unboxing. So here I got this animatronic, and you can see it's nicely, I decorated it, and it's a picture of the animatronic right now. So now I'm going to show you.
Get close up.
Now I'm going to show you the guy that's inside. And let's open this. Here he is. And here it is. So, and I'm going to activate him, but I'm going to first, I'll put the legs out because that's how he's supposed to be.
Can I ask what his name is?
His name is, I do not know.
What is he called?
He's called the guy in the cage. So, now let's activate him. Now I am going to show you my two new dolls. So first I got a Huggy Wuggy doll, and I also got a Kissy Missy doll. And they can hug each other, and look, they can hug me too. Let me get that on. And you can put them around your arms, like so. And they also have little Velcros on their hands, like that.
What is the story of Huggy Wuggy and Kissy Lissy?
Missy.
Oh, Missy Kissy?
Kissy
Missy, okay.
And so...
Where are they from?
They're from Poppy Playtime, the game.
Oh.
And also, they are plushies, and they also have these Velcros, and they're from the game, Poppy Playtime, and you gotta go, and Kissy Missy is nice, and Huggy Wuggy's evil. See, this is what he does, he goes like, ha! Ha! So, now I'm gonna show you two guys I got. Let me, wait, I'm gonna put this guy back in the box for a second. So, there could be a little room. Spider-Man, there's too much Spider-Man in the world. Okay, now I got, get out of here. You're not in the video. Yeah! So I got this robot hand. I'm not gonna unbox the another little tip before I get back to the video. We're not gonna unbox these in the video because I'm gonna unbox these at my house, and this is my grandma's house. So I'm not gonna unbox them right now. That's the quick tip. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna show you this robot hand I got. This is really cool because you like grab on it and you can like make the fingers move. Like one goes to the thumb, and then one string, only this has one string to go on the thumb. Then the two other strings, one string connects to two things. So one goes to two and one goes to the pinky and then the finger. And one tip, do not hold up your middle finger. That's a sign of bad luck. Now we also had this awesome Lego set with Minecraft. And it has the nether portal, and it comes comes with baby sheep, Minecraft Steve. I do not know what that is.
Can you hold that up so we could get a close-up of what's in there?
And this, I do not know who that is. And that's a wooden skeleton. And Minecraft Steve comes with a diamond pickaxe. And he also comes with netherite armor. And this is a netherite thing. And you can turn this and it makes the nether portal go down. So then these guys can go in. So that's really cool. And guys, that's it for my video. Bye.